In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polished design in Canva from template to download. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a project, customize it to your style, and save a crisp file ready to share. We'll begin by creating a new design. In the top right corner, click Create a Design. You'll see options like Instagram post, presentation, flyer, logo, or you can enter a custom size if you already know the exact dimensions you need. Choosing the right format up front makes everything else easier because it locks in the correct aspect ratio for where you plan to post or print. Next, let's pick a template to speed things up. On the left sidebar, click Templates. Use the search bar to explore styles. Try terms like minimal, business, or cute to match your brand or mood. When you find a layout you like, click it, and it will apply instantly to your canvas. Think of templates as a solid starting point. You can change every element later, so don't worry about perfect alignment yet. Now add your message. On the left sidebar, click Text. Choose a heading for big titles, a subheading for secondary lines, or body text for longer details. Click the text on the canvas and start typing your title or message. Keep your hierarchy clear. A strong, short headline usually works best, with supporting text kept concise. If your template includes multiple text boxes, use them to separate ideas for readability. If you'd like to personalize the imagery, you can swap the photo. On the left side, go to Uploads and click Upload Files. Select your image, then click it to place it on the canvas. If the template has a photo frame, your image will snap right into place and replace the original. Choose high-quality images to avoid blurriness, especially if you plan to print. Feel free to move or resize anything to fine-tune the layout. Click any element and drag it to reposition. Pull the corners to resize while keeping proportions. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Align elements visually and leave enough breathing room around the edges. To match your brand or mood, change colors. Click any element, then use the color box at the top to pick a new shade. Aim for contrast between text and background so your message is easy to read. When you're happy with the design, it's time to save. Go to the top right, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for a sharp, versatile image. That's it. Your polished design is ready to go.